Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. If you're looking for a top-tier blending experience, the Vitamix 64oz low-profile blending container with self-detect might be just the solution you've been waiting for. Designed to make blending large batches easier, this container promises a seamless fit with your Vitamix Ascent Series blender. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a deep dive into the details. This blending container is designed for large batches, perfect for families or anyone who regularly prepares multiple servings in one go. With its 64oz capacity, you can blend anywhere from 6 to 12 servings in a single batch, cutting down on prep time and making meal prepping a breeze. But it's not just about the size. The spout has been carefully engineered to prevent drips and spills, which is often a common pain point when working with thick blends. So, if you've ever found yourself wiping down counters after pouring smoothies or soups, this design will make your life a whole lot easier. One of the standout features is the self-detect technology, which makes it a true fit for the Ascent series. When you attach the container, your Vitamix blender automatically recognizes it, adjusting its settings based on the size of the container. No need to fiddle with buttons or settings to get your blend just right. Your blender does the work for you. This level of automation can be a game changer, especially for those who value convenience and precision. Now let's talk about the materials. The container and lid are made from BPA-free Eastman Tritan, which is known for its durability and clarity. So you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. And when it comes to cleaning, Vitamix has kept things simple. You can toss the container and lid into the dishwasher, or for a more hands-on approach, simply blend a drop of dish soap and warm water for 35 seconds to clean it out. This no-fuss cleanup process is something that can't be overstated, especially for those who blend frequently. But a blending container is only as good as its blades, right? Thankfully, Vitamix has equipped this one with laser-cut stainless steel blades that are not only built to last, but designed to improve the blending process. Whether you're crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, or making nut butters, these hardened blades ensure that you get a smoother, more consistent result every time. Included with the container is a specially designed tamper. If you've ever tried blending thick or frozen mixtures and struggled with them getting stuck, the tamper is a welcome addition. It helps push ingredients toward the blades, speeding up the process, and ensuring your blends are as smooth as possible. It's especially useful for things like almond butter or frozen smoothie bowls, where ingredients tend to resist breaking down. You'll also find that this container is equipped with built-in measurements on the side, both in ounces and cups. This is a handy feature that helps you keep track of quantities without dirtying another measuring cup or spoon. Small, but practical, and something many users will appreciate in daily use. But let's get to the real-world testing. I've used this container on my Vitamix Ascent Series blender, and it's been a solid performer in several blending scenarios. From making large batches of smoothies in the morning to prepping soups and sauces for dinner, the 64oz container never felt too big or too small. The self-detect feature worked like a charm. No manual adjustments required. The blender automatically adjusted the speed and blending time based on the container size, making it easy to get perfect results every time. In terms of cleaning, the dishwasher option made life so much easier. I didn't need to spend extra time scrubbing, which is a huge plus if you're constantly using your blender. The tamper worked well, especially when dealing with thick ingredients, but there was still the occasional need to pause and scrape things down manually, although that was rare. Now the pros and cons. On the positive side, the large capacity is fantastic for big families or anyone who likes to prep large amounts of food at once. The self-detect technology really adds a level of convenience and precision that makes blending easier. The blades are high quality, and the tamper is an excellent addition for thick mixtures. Plus, the BPA-free material is a bonus for health-conscious users. However, there are a couple of things to consider. For one, it's only compatible with the Ascent series when using the self-detect features. So if you own a different Vitamix model, you won't be able to take full advantage of that automatic adjustment. Additionally, while the design of the spout is a step up, you might still encounter occasional drips if you're blending something particularly thick or heavy. The container is also a bit bulky, which might not be ideal for those with limited kitchen storage. When it comes to value for money, it really depends on your specific needs. If you're already a Vitamix user and need a larger container for bigger batches, this is a worthwhile upgrade. However, for those who don't use a Vitamix or don't blend in large quantities, it might be harder to justify the cost. Comparing it to similar high-quality containers on the market, it's definitely a solid choice, but there are cheaper options if you're not in need of the self-detect technology. If you're wondering how this stacks up against similar products, let's compare it with other large containers available for Vitamix. While other containers might be priced similarly, not all offer the same level of automation or self-adjusting technology. This is a standout feature of the Ascent Series container, making it ideal for those who value convenience. In terms of build quality and durability, Vitamix is consistently reliable, and the hardened stainless steel blades in this container are superior to those found in many lower-priced competitors. As for the build quality and longevity, Vitamix has a solid reputation for durability, and this container is no exception. The Eastman Tritan material is known for being robust and resistant to cracking, so it should hold up well over time. Based on Vitamix's track record, it's safe to assume this container will last for many years if properly cared for. On the customer service front, Vitamix generally has a good reputation for helpfulness and quick response times, but I haven't needed to reach out for support myself, so I can't speak to personal experience. The brand's solid reputation in the market gives confidence that if any issues do arise, they'll be handled promptly. So, what's the final verdict? If you're a Vitamix Ascent Series owner and regularly blend large quantities of food, this container could be a valuable addition to your kitchen. It's convenient, easy to use, and built to last. While it might not be necessary for everyone, its unique self-detect feature and large capacity make it an excellent option for those who need it. However, if you're not an Ascent Series user or don't blend in large quantities, you might be better off considering other, more budget-friendly options. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're considering adding the Vitamix 64-ounce low-profile blending container to your collection, be sure to check out the link in the comments box below. Got any questions or thoughts on this container? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, happy blending!